Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Langle here. We are going to be working on nonfiction text features. We have already completed the table of contents, which you should have found on page 3, which is right on here, table of contents. You should already have one thing written. If you do not have one thing written yet, such as I do, going to school, page 16, then you need to put that. Next page, pictures and captions. A caption is going to be a sentence or a few words about a picture. It's going to tell more about it. It's different from a label because a label is one word. So on page 11 is where I found kangaroo. Now this book doesn't have any good captions, so I wrote a caption saying kangaroo is hopping. If you do not have a picture and a caption, which is more than one word, then you need to complete that. Next page. Now, here is my picture with my label, also from the same page. Make sure you have that done. The next text feature we're going to talk about is bold print. Bold print is where the word sticks out, just like eucalyptus or marsupials, and you are going to be able to learn more about that word from the glossary, which is in the back. I want for you to write a sentence that has a bolded word in here. So you could use marsupials, or you could use two different words on this page. Page 12. There are two different words. There are a few others in this whole book. Choose one. Write the sentence just how I did. Okay, next text feature is the glossary. The glossary will be found on page 30. So I'm going to go to 30. And as you will see, here's the glossary. These are all of the words that were read in the book that had the bolded print. I want for you to choose one of those, write the word, and then what comes after it. That's the definition. That is what the word means. I did ancestors, relatives who lived long ago. I want for you to choose a different one of these and then write it. Our next text feature is index, and you will find the index on page 32. The index is located in the back of the book, and it's going to tell you where you can find different things on different pages. So for example, I'm going to find activities in Australia on page 20. Language would be on page 13. I want for you to choose one of these and write the name and then the page number, just how I did. Two more text features we're going to talk about. This one is a fact box. A fact box will be found in a book somewhere, and it's going to tell you a little bit more about what you are reading. So, for example, on page 27, I have it says, fun fact, Aborigines invented a musical instrument called the didgeridoo about 1,500 years ago. Many modern musicians still play this long, loud horn made from a hollowed out tree trunk. That is one fact box. I want for you to find another fact box and tell me just how I did. Tell me which page it's on, and then if you just draw how it says fun fact and then draw the box, I'm okay with that if you do not use the whole, if you do not write all of the words. The last feature we're going to talk about is a heading. Headings will be, they come at the beginning of every little subpart in the book that you are reading. So for example, working is a heading. Playing is a heading. So it's one or a few words that will tell you about the pages. So for example, playing is probably going to tell me what Australians do for fun. Food might tell me what they eat. Holidays, just how I did, page 24, holidays. I want for you to find one heading and write the page number and the heading that you have found. The last is a subheading, and you get to skip that one. Please go ahead and fill out this book. Have fun. Bye.